If you want to record voice chats or groups calls from Discord on your Android phone, here's how you can simply do that. Quick heads up, always ask for permissions before recording others, just to stay on the safe side. So option 1 is using a screen recorder with internal audio. Some Android phones have built-in screen recorders that captures internal audios. To check that, you have to swipe down and look in quick settings panel. You have to search for screen recorder. If you don't see one, you can always click on edit and find screen recorder and add it to your quick panel. Once you are done, you can stop recording. The video will include your Discord audio. You can extract the audio later using any video to audio tool. If your phone doesn't support internal audio, you can move to option 2, which is using a third-party app. For that, you can download a screen recorder app like X Recorder or Easy Screen Recorder from the Play Store. You have to open the app and enable microphone and internal audio, then start your Discord call, begin recording. These apps are free and may offer audio only recording options too. And if you want better quality, consider using a PC to record Discord using OBS or Crackbot. They give cleaner and separate tracks for each speaker. And that's it. If this video helped, make sure to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more tech videos like that. See you in the next one.